All right, so this one says find the area of the rectangle by multiplying its length times width. So remember, guys, that the area of a rectangle is the length times the width. And so we can make this the length, and we can make this the width. In other words, the area of this bad boy is the length, which is the quantity 7x minus 1 times the quantity 3x minus 2. So this is really kind of just an application of what we did in the last section, but we're probably going to work backwards. So let's crank through this real quick. I've got 7x minus 1 times the quantity 3x minus 2. 7 times 3 is 21. X times x is x squared. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3, and then we just tack on the x. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Tack on the x. And then negative 1 times negative 2 is a positive 2. We combine like terms. We look at all the x to the first powers. So that's a negative 17x. There's only one term that's x squared, which is 21x squared. And there's only one constant. So which one is that? Is it this one? 21x squared minus 17 plus 2? Double check my answers here. Yep, that's the one. Now, the reason this is in the factoring